Good morning. I posted one video regarding sweet sleep and full salary, but I received some messages and some calls from some of my friends. They said they understand the title and the heading of the video, but they could not understand what I said and what I mean was because this video was in Urdu language. So they asked me to explain briefly what I said and what I mean was. So this video is for them. My friend, I said, some of our friend, all the month, keep on waiting for this release. But at the end of the month or in the beginning of the next month, when they receive the salary messages on their mobile or receive the slips, they start thinking what they will do with this amount. Should they send this money to their family? Should they use this money for themselves? Or they should return this money to the people from whom they took the loan? Why like this? Because they did not receive the full salary. And sometimes they receive less than half. Why it happened like this? What is the reason behind this? Reason, they did not attend the duty in the complete month due to much absentees. And because of these absentees, there was too much deduction on their salaries. And what is the main reason? The main reason for this is mobile phone. My friend, they work all the day from morning to evening very hard. And they get too much tired in the evening. When they reach to their rooms, they take the food and after that they lie down on the bed and open their mobile and start talking to their families and their kids. But this talking to the family and the kids, it take a few minutes. When they finish this talking, they open another apps and they start watching movies. They start listening the songs and they start watching the another entertainment channels. And the time start passing. This time reach to the 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and sometime it reach to the 12 o'clock. And at the last, they got too much tired and they closed the phone. And they tried to sleep but could not sleep well because their mind was very tired. They sleep but could not get up on the time in the next morning. And they opened their eyes, they see the watch and they found that the buses for the duty already gone. So they said, okay, bus is already gone. Let's sleep again. And they did not go for the duty and made absence. This routine reached to the days, after to the month, and after to the years. And our these friends never save their reasonable money for their future and never save their reasonable money for their kids and never make happiness for themselves. So I said, please take care of the time. This is the time you can make a bright future for your kids and provide them the chance for the good future and give them the good education by paying their fees regularly monthly. And also, you can keep your family happy. Use the mobile phone. I will not tell you don't use, but use in a proper way. And use in the way that it will not damage your health and it will not damage your wealth. This was the main message which I tried to pass. I hope you understand. Good luck and take care of you and your family, and Allah Hafiz.